Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Virtualbox and clicking New. This is where you define identity and compatibility. Choose a clear name, set type to the correct OS family, and pick the matching version so guest editions work later. Once done, allocate RAM, balance host needs and guest minimums, for example 2048 MB for light Linux. Then create a virtual hard disk now. Pick VDI unless you need portability. These first steps lock core config, so be deliberate. Wrong choices force manual changes later. Once the VM shell exists, configure storage and network. This is the complex middle. Choose VDI for Virtualbox native disks and prefer dynamically allocated to conserve host space until needed. Then attach the installation ISO under storage. Pick the controller type that matches the guest OS expectations and confirm boot order so the VM boots the installer first. For networking, use NAT when you just need internet or bridged adapter if the VM must appear on your local LAN. Make sure SATA. You now start the VM and proceed through the guest OS installer. Follow on-screen prompts and partition carefully. When the OS is up, install guest editions for drivers, shared clipboard, and better graphics. Once configured, enable shared folders and set a snapshot so you can roll back if something breaks. If the VM won't boot, check common issues: wrong ISO, incorrect boot order, storage controller mismatch, or too little RAM. Reattach the ISO or increase memory, then try again. That usually fixes boot failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.